up you guys? This is Gia and welcome back to my channel. So, do you guys really suffer while doing FAUX calligraphy only because you don't have brush pens? Well, I did. Honestly, yes, because I still don't have them. Well, sad but true. So, in today's video, I thought I should show you guys how to do fake FAUX calligraphy with a simple pen. So, without sparing another second, let's head to the video. Alrighty, so you will need a black thin marker or any other sketch pens you like. Well, I'm using here this Camlin CD DVD marker pen. It's really good and cheap, like it's just worth ₹10. So let's head to the basics. There are two types of strokes involved in this. The first one is the upward stroke, like so. The second one is the downward stroke. You need to remember that you should color the downward stroke like so. Now, for example, if you want to write hi, so you'll be writing it like this. Now, this was the upward stroke, so we'll be leaving it as it is. And this one was the downward stroke, so we're gonna bold it and fill the color inside. Like this. Now this was again the upward stroke and this one was the downward stroke. So we're gonna do it like this. Now again this one was the upward stroke and this one was the downward stroke. So this is how to write hi.